Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unsupported media in Gallery on Android. Now the first thing you need to do is to reboot your device, as sometimes a simple restart can resolve common issues. Next, you can also ensure the media file is in a format supported by your device. So for example, JPEG, PNG, or MP4. Next, you can also try using a file converter app to change the file format to a supported one. Next, you can also try clearing the cache and data. So just head to your settings, apps, gallery, and tap on storage and then clear cache and clear data. It's also worth using a different app, so try opening the file with a different gallery or media player app. Now you also have to make sure that your Android OS and gallery app are up to date. And if large files are what's causing the issue, then you can try reducing the file size using an image or video editor. If these steps don't work, you might need to use a photo repair software or transfer the file to a computer for further troubleshooting. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.